Good afternoon, Mr. Chairperson and members of the committee. I'm John Byrne. I'm the immediate past president of the California Music Educators Association, and as such, I also serve on the Policy Council for Create California. But most importantly, I'm a high school band director at Homestead High School in Cupertino, California. Maybe you saw my band on TV in the 2019 Rose Parade. CMEA members are music teachers providing music instruction to students in our public schools, colleges, and universities. I'm here today requesting your support and a yes vote on AB 1718. The benefits of an arts education, which include the disciplines of music, dance, media arts, theater, and visual arts, along with world languages, are many that include fostering critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, communication, and innovation, skills necessary for preparing our students to succeed in their college and career readiness, as well as succeeding in an information-based 21st century workplace and global economy. California's 2019 Arts Standards and the 2020 Arts Education Framework, adopted by the State Board of Education, provides a strong foundation for the development of artistic competencies by all students, as well as providing our teachers with guidance and tools necessary to ensure quality and effective visual and performing arts instruction to all of our children. AB 1718 proposes providing the necessary resources to ensure students have access to high-quality, standards-aligned instructional materials, digital platforms, and instruction. Teachers would be given the tools and information through professional learning opportunities on how best to teach all of the arts education disciplines. Every student has a right to a well-rounded education, including opportunities and access to a high-quality arts education. Again, please vote yes on AB 1718.
Thank you.